Hi, Felix here from IW-TEX. In this video I show you how to sew the inside of your front plate back. As always, there are several ways, so I'll show you various examples with the advantages and disadvantages. Have fun sewing it yourself. For the inside of the plate bag I use a medium weight 560 IW-TEX cordura with PU coating in this video. As this side will later be facing the body, it does not require a higher abrasion resistance, and a 560 cordura can also be easily processed in several layers with a household sewing machine. The bottom edge is folded over by 1 cm and sewn with a 50 mm loop tape to close the plate bag. For easier sewing, it is a good idea to use plastic clips to secure the loop tape. When placing the loop tape, I make sure it is positioned in the middle with enough space from the edges. You can also sew on a wider loop tape here, so that you have more play later when choosing the plate. In order to be able to use padding later, this plate bag is given an edge of 40 mm wide loop tape on the side facing the body. I leave a 2 cm gap to the edge on all sides except the bottom edge. 1 cm is for the seam allowance and 1 cm so that the loop tape is not too close to the seam. You are free to decide whether and how much loop tape you want to sew on here. Here are a few examples for you. The more loop tape, the more options for adding padding, but also the more weight and sewing work involved. Depending on the type and size of the ballistic inserts that will be used later, you should plan for more or less loop tape surface for the padding. There will be a separate video for sewing the padding. Congratulations, you have finished the inside of your front plate bag. The next parts of the Platecarrier series will appear soon. Until then, I look forward to your comments, questions and thumbs up. To make sure you don't miss any videos on sewing your own tactical gear, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.